Go ahead, you're shooting. Around the neck, please. And you're on.
Hello?
Just point the camera in front of you, guys. You don't really need to look for it. Just make sure you point it up.
Hello? This is Charlie. I'm climbing up the mountain. Now I'm to this big fireplace. First time I've been here in a while. See, a kind of long staircase to get up. Seemed like 5 miles of hiking. Finally made it up here. Back to the Labyrinth. Almost there. See, it's a long way up. The seating area. Okay, this should be it. Right here. There's no stairs above this. Here we are. Made it to the top. Made it. My cousins and my brother.
Charlie.
Really cool here.
Alright, wait. We'll look at yours first.
Oh, don't poke the camera.
Charlie, yeah. I'll sword fight you. Come on, sword
Hold on, I'm filming. There's my dad. Hey, Dad!
Dad!
It's him right there. Wave! Wave to the camera! Oh, I can't see him. Hey, Dad, how do you turn this off? What? Well, that's pretty much the end of it. I want to save battery.
Alright.
Bye.